What's going on, everyone? This is Daniel here again at Central Cal Truck and Trailer Sales in San Diego. Today I'm actually going to show you guys a truck of the day that is perfect if you're already established in the business and you're looking to upgrade your fleet and add on to it and start saving some money with some of our later model automated transmission trucks. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think. Here we have a 2016 Freightliner Cascadia Evolution with a 505 horsepower Detroit DD15 engine, as well as you'll see right here a DT12 automated transmission system. You have 398,000 miles, still has remaining 5-year 500,000 mile warranty with Freightliner, and collision mitigation system for driver safety, as well as a 72-inch sleeper area double bunk, so a lot of room for all you drivers out there and team drivers as well. And this truck does come with new drive tires on the back of it, so it's ready to hit the road and make you money. For more information on this truck or any other trucks I have in my lot, give me a call at 909-275-5191 or email laotrucksales@gmail.com. Talk to you guys later.